How do you pronounce this sound in English? If you're not sure what the correct pronunciation is, don't worry, I'm here to help you with the correct pronunciation of this sound. All right? So, hi, my name is Rita. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to improve your English pronunciation skills, then this channel is definitely for you because I share tips and lessons to help you improve your English pronunciation skills. All right? So, let's get right into today's lesson. This sound is pronounced oh, oh. It's a vowel sound in the English language and it's the long form of oh. So we have oh and oh. Now, this sound can be found in words that have the letters O and R. Words like fork. Yeah, I hear a lot of people say this is fake. No, it's not fake, Kaka. It's fork. So it's fork, 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 ork. All right, fork. Now we can also find it in words like report, report, ordinary, ordinary, ordain. Yeah. So what other words have the letters O and R in them? But we want to be careful. Yeah, let me quickly mention this because there are so many words in the English language, and because this particular rule applies here, it doesn't mean that it is the same everywhere because not all words in the English language that have these letters O and R can be pronounced as or, all right? So there are a lot of exceptions, okay? But most times, in most cases, you'll find words with the letters O and R pronounced as or. You can also find this sound in words that have letters O, A, R. Words like raw. Yes, this is raw, not roar. Some people say roar, that the lion is roaring or the lion roars. No, it's raw. The lion roars. Okay? We also have horse, horse, board. So you can see that these words have letters O, A, R in them and they're pronounced or. Now, this same sound can also be found in words that have letters O, U, and R. Words like course. Now, I said course earlier, and this is another course. Now, what do you call words that have the same pronunciations, different spellings, and different meanings? What do you call words like that? They're called homophones, okay? So we're going to talk about homophones in subsequent lessons. But for now, we're looking at the sound or. Now we also have it in words like court, C-O-U-R-T, court, okay? So can you see how we're gradually making progress with how we can identify the sound or in words of the English language? Now, we can also find it in words that have letters A and U. Words like laud. Now, this laud has the same pronunciation as L-O-R-D. Laud, Lord. So what are they called again? They're called homophones, words that have the same pronunciations, different spellings, and different meanings. So like I said earlier, we're going to talk about them in subsequent videos. So for now, we're looking at the letters, the sound, or, okay? So we have or, Lord, cause, cause, audacity. She had the audacity to work out of the room. Why? Why did she do that? Then we also have fraud, fraud. Okay, so there are so many examples, and I'd like you to give me a few examples that you know, words that have the sound or. I'd like to see them in the comment section, okay? So I hope you have learned a thing or two from this lesson. If you did, please do well to give this video a like, click the subscribe button and also share this video with your friends. You can also check through this channel. I've made some couple of other videos on some other different sounds of the English language, which you can go watch, learn, and also practice. Because the more you practice, the better you would get at recognizing these sounds, and also you're going to be able to pronounce them correctly. Okay? So until I see you again in the next video, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye for now.